What's up everybody, it's Matt here, and today we are in Modesto, California, looking at this beautiful Tudor home. That's an older home. There's a lot of really nice houses here, big trees, and it's very quiet as you can hear from this mic. Yet it's right off of McHenry, which is a main shopping area for all of your needs, whether it be services or shopping. We are looking at a home right here that is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2,861 square feet. It's on a 9,601 square foot lot. It has a 3-car garage and an ADU, which is super interesting to me and other people who are interested in offsetting their mortgage payment. So if that interests you, and older homes such as this with character, cuts and finishes that you're not gonna find in everyday homes that you see on YouTube, I guarantee you're not gonna see another one like this. So if that interests you, go ahead and come on inside with me. This house is currently listed for $875,000 and is located at 1000 Magnolia Avenue. Before we enter the house, I would like to thank Michaela Sandoval for letting us come tour her lovely listing. Oh, it's Elena. Come on in. Showing off your peephole door that comes with the house. Beautiful wood door. Coming into your entry space right here, we can show the living room, the entry room when you walk into the property. You're gonna have a gas fireplace. That is beautiful. You're gonna have a lot of room, a lot of windows on the end of this wall. Tall, rounded cornered ceilings. Nice hourglass top shape to the fireplace. There's a lot of interesting shapes and plaster work in this house, including the arch that is right behind the camera, which is now right behind me. And we're gonna stop and appreciate these original oak floors, ton and groove flooring, and it is the fine flooring. Fine meaning it's skinny slats, so it's not the big planks. That's more expensive. And they're put in nice patterns around the room because they actually frame certain things, like the fireplace is framed with wood. Around the outside of the walls is framed with wood, and then they fill in the middle. So it's really intricate, it's really cool. Coming into this other living space that you have right here, we're going to see the same hardwood floors. Continuing into this room, we're gonna have your thermostats, your light, a nice chandelier fixture, and this nice change of flooring continuing on into over here with the brick. One feature that I'm gonna point out, because I always like them, is exposed beams. And not only did they give you exposed beams, but they used a nice burning technique with the wood. You actually take a propane torch and you burn the outside layer of the wood a bit, so it really makes that grain of the wood pop. It looks beautiful. It was a nice choice of finish. Off of the room we just toured, you see a door that leads down to your very own basement. Board form concrete, nice room for storage. It's rare in a California home to have a basement. You do in this one because it's older. Originally dated French doors in the property is going to lead us into our, technically the first bedroom, but this space could be utilized into many different things, including a classroom, a playroom, and an office. Due to those French doors leads into the brick room we were just in, which has French doors leading to the outside of the breezeway. Clients could just pull up on the driveway, come through the courtyard, which you will see later, and then come right into your office through the French doors over here without trekking through your house. So a nicely placed room, a lot of lighting, good size. You can definitely fit a full-size bed and some accessories, and it does have a closet. Go ahead and show some of the built-in cabinetry. All right, come with me down the hall. Right behind the camera right now is bedroom number 1. Off to the right over here is going to be bedroom number 2, and this is going to just be your typical bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. I really like these mirrors that they just stick to the outside of the doors. It's a very good use of space. I would like to see it in more houses, honestly. This closet also has built-in shelving and hangers, and they're well done. I like them. We're coming into the shared bathroom that these bedrooms along this hall share. Tub set up over here with tile surround. Have a little separate shower with tile. We're gonna have your sink. This is probably original cabinetry, so you're gonna have all that original good wood built-ins. Coming into bedroom number 3 over here, we pass by a linen closet and we enter into this room. Nice sunny room, just like a lot of the rooms in the house that we see. Lots of windows, got the same closet. Nice sized bedroom. You can tell the floors were newly sanded down and stained, which is nice. I was really happy to see the condition these floors were in. You guys will see the close-ups on here. They all look great. And now we have the kitchen, which is an awesome remodel part of this house. We're coming through that nice arched doorway into your breakfast nook over here with storage seating. So the seats actually lift up and are storage underneath. I love all the travertine tile throughout this kitchen, you will see, but in this nook, I love how they extended it all the way into the breakfast nook. Nice windows, green color cabinetry, steel hardware on the cabinets. We have this live edge, thick wood shelving, which is super popular right now and on trend. We have the beautiful travertine tile backsplash coming all the way up to the top of the ceiling, hitting the crown molding and going around the room. We're gonna have, of course, built-in can lights, which are standard. Dishwasher over here. We have this beautiful farm kitchen sink, which is undermount. Thick slab of granite right here. It actually has texture left to it. Beautiful. I've never seen a granite countertop like this, and it's my favorite now. Fabricated edge that comes around, and then this granite sink is mounted underneath, and they actually left the front of it rough, where you can actually see the chisel marks. It adds so much character to this kitchen. Beautiful view of the front of your property. Edison bulbed, copper hammered, textured light fixtures up there. You have this custom built wood hood around your air vent that's over your beautiful Gin-Air 6-burner gas oven. As you can see, if you're a chef and you like to cook, this kitchen's for you. You're gonna see this same wood color here that was made in this custom built surrounding of the hood. Continue over here to your fridge. Yes, behind me is a fridge. This house is going to have a huge fridge and then a freezer drawer, and it is wood paneled. We have shiplap siding up this wall. This is an entryway to your breezeway of the property. So you can come in here, sit down. I always talk about this in videos. This house actually had it. You can come in here, sit down, take off your boots. It's a great area. Love the shiplap. You actually have a little bathroom in here that's just a toilet surrounded by mirrors. You have a little pantry. This is actually a microwave oven. So you technically have two ovens here with that big Gin-Air oven and then this oven slash microwave up here. This kitchen is beautiful. You're going to love it if you buy this house. Coming up these stairs, newly fabricated handrails. Love the little windows overlooking the balcony that's off your master that you will see in a minute. More exposed beams, lovely chandelier. Stepping into here with this nice pocket door. Whoa, that's slick. Ah, you see how that lock can pop in and out? So cool. Standing in your beautiful new custom-made shower. This is your roof line. It gives it a really interesting, cozy feel. It's all tiled from ceiling to floor, floor to ceiling. They even had to custom fabricate the glass to match the sloping angle of the roof. I'm sure you can tell from my overexposed face that we have a massive skylight right here, bringing a lot of natural light into this bathroom that was built into this slanted roof space. So it actually makes it feel open. It doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. We have a nice fabricated countertop right here with a his and her sink, dual windows, a lot of storage underneath, and your toilet over here. Coming up the stairs and through the hallway, we have more of that original oak flooring that is just beautiful. We have a nice barn door coming into your master. And as you can see, the master has plenty of room to do whatever you want. Again, it's in this nice pitched area of the house because we're on the second story, so you can see the roof slopes on either side. But again, it's still very tall, exposed beams. You have plenty of room for a huge bed, whatever storage, dressers you need. You have a really pretty nook over here with more skylights overlooking your big backyard and your pool that we will get to in a minute. And this room is something else. Again, we're gonna have a custom crafted little wood door. It's like a little hobbit's house sometimes at times in this house. It's very Tudor. We're gonna step up into what is probably the biggest closet I have seen. And I said that on the last closet we showed of that new build, but check this out. Currently staged as like a little office space, little workout space. It could be many things, but it could also be just one giant closet. That would be Elena's dream. Whether you make it a little home gym, an office, or a closet, this space can be super utilized. Slightly textured, natural plastered finish, can lights throughout, carpet throughout this whole upper area that we have been touring of the master. Coming out from your master, we're going to have an awesome balcony area that is just beautiful to enjoy the lovely California weather that we enjoy in this state. You not only have room for seating areas, but you have enough room to put an entire table if you would like to come up here and have a cup of coffee. We're gonna come downstairs into the backyard. Follow me. Coming down from the primary bedroom's deck, we're gonna have the nice sliding door that comes off of your living space. We're walking under a breezeway. Up above us is going to be that balcony deck that is right off your master, and we come into your own courtyard that is included with this property. Yes, we have talked about before our Tudor style, and you even get your own courtyard with ivy. That's right off the kitchen where you could come, you could have breakfast. Follow me through this great secret garden door off of your Tudor courtyard. You're gonna have this nice lemon bush that acts as ivy around the whole thing, makes it really beautiful. Behind me is a 3-car garage. Up above is going to be an ADU that we're gonna check out in a minute. But as you can see, you have plenty of room to not only park your cars, but if you don't own 3 cars, or if you want to park some outside, you could have place for a little shop or a little gym. Welcome to your very own ADU accessory dwelling unit on the property. It's above that 3-car garage, and it is its own studio. It's right now renting currently at about $2,000 a month. So judging by that this is a list price of $875,000, that's gonna make a pretty good contribution towards your mortgage to offset your house payment. Let's go ahead and talk about this kitchen real quick. You have a little oven, sink, window overlooking the beautiful backyard, storage, fridge, microwave. This is HVAC, centrally heated and cooled. We're going to have 3 dormer windows behind the camera right there. We're gonna have 3 dormer windows on this side, adding so much character to this studio and bringing in all that natural light. Really tall ceilings. We got some ceiling fans. Cute little breakfast bar with bar stools. We're gonna have the bed, bathroom behind me over here. We're gonna have a sink, shower, toilet. This cool kind of open topped wall. So it's like a half wall, 3/4 wall. Adding again, another unique architectural feature to this space. We have some storage over here. We have a closet where you would have your iron, other stuff that a rental would like. Even the closet door has been manufactured to have that cut in it. Let's talk about this unique little eating nook. They have a little stool here so you can step up into this scene and sit down and eat. And then they're using the backspace of it as like a little bookshelf. Just unique. Something that people who like to rent on rental places such as Airbnb look for. Something a little funky, out of the ordinary. This is a really nice space to have, and it is included with the property if you purchase this house. This rental has its very own entrance to the property, so you never have to deal with who's ever renting the space, which is very valuable. So you don't have to worry about it interfering with you living in the main house while you're renting out this space. Welcome to the backyard. I'm right now sitting on some patio furniture on a nicely raised built-up deck along this side of the property. Over here, you're gonna have an area that is being utilized as a garden area. It's on the side of the garage. It could also be easily converted into RV parking. You can hear how peaceful it is back here. It's quiet. You're surrounded by not only your beautiful Tudor-styled home, but you have tons of trees along here, making it very private. Those of you still watching, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel below for more house tours such as these. Thank you. Coming into your backyard, you see behind me a massive, deep, beautiful pool. You have nice ornamental lemon tree over here, nice bushes lining the property, plenty of room for banana chairs and sun chairs to lay out and sun in. Coming around the pool here, you're going to have your own spa. Nice size, can fit a lot of people. I like that they put this arbor here with some Edison bulb lights and a shade cloth, making it a more cozy space and usable if you have sunny weather. This backyard, it's a great yard to entertain in. You not only have the pool, the spa, the decks, all the patio furniture, but you have the space. What more do you need?